the high country of Rocky Mountain National Park, conservation is not an abstract idea. It's the daily work of protecting a living system. Here, the Continental Divide sends water to both coasts, forests grade into subalpine meadows, and more than a third of the park rises above the tree line into fragile alpine tundra. Every summer bloom, every bugling elk, every circling hawk depends on a balance that is both intricate and easily disturbed. This landscape is resilient, but it is also sensitive. Warmer temperatures shift snowmelt earlier, drying meadows sooner and stressing the plants and pollinators that rely on them. Spruce and pine forests bear the long memory of beetle outbreaks and fire. New growth now shares space with standing snags that feed woodpeckers and shelter small mammals. Moose browse in willows that anchor stream banks. Elk moves at dawn and dusk, shaping meadows with each step. Predators and scavengers knit these threads together, reminding us that a healthy ecosystem needs all of its parts. Conservation here means more than protecting scenery. It means guarding migration routes that stretch beyond the park boundary, keeping rivers clear so native trout can spawn, and preserving dark skies where nocturnal life can still follow ancient clocks. It means quiet, soundscapes where wind, water, and wings aren't drowned out, because wildlife hears danger before we do. People are part of this story. Each visitor becomes a steward with simple choices. Stay on established trails to protect delicate tundra plants that may take decades to recover from one misplaced step. Give wildlife space, at least 25 yards for most animals and 100 yards for bears, so natural behaviors are not disrupted. Store food securely and pack out everything carried in, because a fed animal is a doomed animal. Keep dogs at home. For wildlife, even a leashed dog is a predator. Travel in smaller groups, yield to uphill hikers, and share the road with cyclists and elk alike. In fall, watch the rut from a respectable distance. In spring, avoid trampling wet meadows where new life is just starting. Conservation is also collaboration. Scientists monitor snowpack, water temperature, and vegetation change. Rangers restore habitat, remove invasive species, and rebuild trails after floods and fires. Local communities, tribes, and volunteers plant willows, collect data, and teach the next generation that this place is not just beautiful, it's essential. Rocky Mountain National Park endures because people choose to care for it. With every careful footstep, every quiet moment, and every decision to leave it better than found, the wild heart of these mountains keeps beating, strong, serene, and free. Follow the YouTube channel for more behind-the-scenes locations and the conservation of our precious resources.